Welcome back to MP Car. Now let's get ready to explore the 2025 Tesla Model 3 together. Tesla has long been known for its groundbreaking innovations in electric vehicle technology, and the 2025 Model 3 is the latest testament to the company's relentless efforts. From exterior design to the technology inside, everything has been carefully crafted and improved by Tesla. The Model 3 is not just a mode of transportation, it represents the future of the automotive industry. Today, we will dive into everything the 2025 Model 3 has to offer, from its luxurious exterior, modern interior, to the smart technologies that make it a top choice for those who love novelty and sustainability. The exterior of the 2025 Model 3 carries a modern and refined signature. Tesla has redesigned some minor details that make a huge difference to the overall look. First, the new LED headlights increase brightness while giving the car a sharp and contemporary appearance. The rear lights have also been adjusted to match the car's sporty and aerodynamic style. The car's body, with smooth and rounded lines, gives a strong yet elegant feel. The aerodynamic design is also a highlight of the 2025 Model 3. Thanks to its smooth lines and optimized wind resistance, the car is able to conserve energy significantly when traveling at high speeds. In addition, the Model 3 is equipped with lightweight yet sturdy alloy wheels that enhance road grip and improve driving performance. Stepping inside the Model 3, the first impression is undoubtedly comfort and modernity. Tesla has upgraded the materials used in the interior, making the cabin more luxurious. The seats are covered in high-quality leather, adjustable electronically, and equipped with a heating function, ensuring comfort whether you're traveling short or long distances. The steering wheel has also been redesigned to provide a firm and ergonomic grip. The 15-inch central screen in the middle of the dashboard continues to be the standout feature. All controls, from maps, audio, to seat adjustments, are performed via this touchscreen. What's notable is the optimized user interface, which is intuitive and easier to use than ever. Additionally, the 2025 Model 3 is equipped with a vibrant sound system and advanced air filtration technology, offering a relaxing experience for both the driver and passengers. The 2025 Model 3 stands out with a host of modern technologies that Tesla constantly enhances. One of the most notable features is the autonomous driving system. The self-driving capability of the Model 3 has been upgraded, with faster recognition and processing of complex situations on the road. Not only does it keep the car in lane and control speed, but the Model 3 can also automatically change lanes, stop at red lights, and recognize traffic signs to ensure maximum safety. Additionally, the 2025 Model 3 supports over-the-air OTA software updates, allowing performance improvements and new features without needing to take the car to a service center. The artificial intelligence integrated into the voice recognition system allows the driver to issue commands naturally and easily using voice. Another interesting feature is the Sentry mode, which allows the Model 3 to record images around the car when anyone approaches. This feature enhances security and provides peace of mind for owners. As for the engine, the 2025 Tesla Model 3 continues to use a powerful electric motor with two options: the standard version and the advanced version. The standard version offers a range of up to 400 kilometers on a single charge, while the advanced version offers around 500 kilometers. With a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration time of just about 4 seconds, the 2025 Model 3 offers an exhilarating and smooth driving experience on all terrains. Tesla has also improved the fast charging capability of the Model 3, allowing users to fully charge the battery in just 30 minutes at supercharger stations. This not only saves time, but also makes the Model 3 one of the most convenient electric vehicles for long-distance travel. What makes the Model 3 stand out in the electric vehicle market is its advanced self-driving system and modern safety features. The car is equipped with numerous sensors and cameras to assist the driver, with collision warnings and automatic braking in emergencies. With the lane-keeping system, the Model 3 ensures safety on highways. In addition, the automatic seat temperature adjustment and heating system are great bonuses for this car, especially in winter. You will always have a comfortable, warm, and convenient space during every journey. For me, the 2025 Tesla Model 3 is truly a standout vehicle in both design and technology. From its sharp exterior, luxurious interior, to its advanced technologies, it creates a perfect electric car. The driving experience of the Model 3 is smooth and exhilarating, especially when accelerating on highways. The self-driving features and over-the-air software updates make the Model 3 not just a car, but a smart assistant accompanying you on every journey. In conclusion, the 2025 Model 3 deserves to be named one of the best electric vehicles on the market today. For those who love technology, sustainability, and a modern lifestyle, the Tesla Model 3 2025 is undoubtedly a must-have. From powerful performance, top-notch self-driving technology, to exceptional comfort and safety, the Model 3 has won over even the most discerning car enthusiasts.